Once upon a time, there was a man who was in a relationship with an awful woman. They loved each other deeply, and everything was going great. Still, one day, the man set up himself in a delicate situation. He'd made a mistake that hurt his gal deeply. He felt terrible and was filled with guilt, but he did not know how to make it right. When he went to his gal to apologize, he was surprised by her response. Rather of forgiving him right down, she was angry. She told him that she was hurt by what he'd done, and that his conduct had consequences. At first, the man was taken suddenly by her wrathfulness. He allowed that she'd just forgive him and move on. But as he allowed about it more, he realized that her wrathfulness was actually a sign of her love for him. A woman who truly loves you will be angry at you if you hurt her because she cares about you and wants you to be better. She does not just let effects slide because she does not want to rock the boat or beget. Conflict them and realize that his gal's wrathfulness was a gift. It showed him that she loved him enough to hold him responsible, and that she believed in him enough to anticipate further from him with this consummation. The man was suitable to apologize unfeignedly and make effects right with his gal. Their relationship grew indeed stronger, and they continued to support each other through life's ups and campo. The assignment of this story is clear. If someone truly loves you, they will be angry when you mess up. But that wrathfulness is a sign of their love and their desire for you to be the stylish interpretation of yourself. So embrace it, learn from it, and use it to become a better person. A woman who truly loves you will be angry at you if you hurt her because she cares about you and wants you to be better. Wrathfulness can be a sign of love and a desire for growth. Miscalculations can lead to growth and metamorphosis. Love requires responsibility, and holding each other to a high standard. Adversity can be an occasion for growth. Through difficulty, we can discover our true strength. Life's challenges are a chance to learn and come more. The topmost strength falsehoods in the capability to admit miscalculations and learn from them. Honesty and vulnerability are crucial factors of true love. Means showing up and being present indeed. When it's hard, miscalculations do not define us, but how we respond to them does. Adaptability is erected through facing and prostrating adversity. It's okay to ask for remission, but it's important to make effects, right? The topmost act of love is to put in the trouble to make effects, right? Holding oneself responsible is a crucial element of growth. True love means taking responsibility for your conduct and their impact on others. Tone, reflection, and growth go hand in hand. Our topmost assignments come from our miscalculations. Embrace your excrescencies and work to ameliorate upon them. We all have the power to grow and change. We aren't defined by our miscalculations, but by how we respond to them. Growth requires vulnerability and modesty. Success isn't measured by perfection, but by progress. Honesty is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a choice in an action. Remission isn't just about forgetting, but about letting go of resentment. The road to growth is no way easy, but it's always worth it. Admitting miscalculations takes courage, but it's the first step towards growth. Love requires work and trouble, but it's always worth it. The most beautiful connections are erected on honesty, vulnerability, and growth. True love means supporting each other through the highs and lows of life. Success isn't about no way failing, but about getting back over and trying again. Failure is just a temporary reversal on the path to success. We're all able of greatness, but it takes hard work and perseverance. The topmost success stories are born out of adversity. True strength comes from prostrating obstacles. Courage means facing your fears and taking action. Anyway, love requires immolation and selflessness. Happiness is a choice, and it starts with the decision to concentrate on the positive. The key to success is continuity and determination. Success isn't about talent or luck, but about hard work and perseverance. A positive station can change everything. Believe in yourself, and you can achieve anything. The only limits are the bones we place on ourselves. Life isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. Greatness is achieved through hard work, fidelity, and passion. Chase your dreams and no way give up. Success is not an event, but a trip. Small way lead to big accomplishments. Adversity introduces a man to himself. In the middle of difficulty lies occasion. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Anyone who has no way made a mistake has no way tried anything new. A person who no way made a mistake, no way tried anything new. The important thing isn't to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for being. Learn from history, live for moment, stopgap for hereafter. The important thing isn't to stop questioning. I've no special gift, I'm only passionately curious. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. Success isn't the key to happiness, happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you'll be successful. The only source of knowledge is experience. The true sign of intelligence isn't knowledge, but imagination. You no way fail until you stop trying. Sense will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you far and wide. Life is like riding a bike. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The difference between a synonymity and genius is that genius has its limits. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its capability to climb a tree, it'll live its whole life, believing that it's stupid. We cannot break our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding the value of a man should be seen and what he gives, and not in what he's suitable to admit. No problem can be answered from the same position of knowledge that created it. The most beautiful thing we can witness is the mysterious. It's the source of all true art and science. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. I no way suppose of the future. It comes soon enough. It's not that I am so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. Education isn't the literacy of data, but the training of the mind to suppose wisdom without religion is lame. Religion without wisdom is eyeless. The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind is a faithful menial. We've created a society that honors the menial and has forgotten the gift. We should take care not to make the intellect our god. It has, of course, important muscles, but no personality. The important thing isn't to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for being.